Hello everyone. Today we are going to make this granny square. This is just the center of a tiny little granny square, and I'm going to show you how to do your slip knot and how you're going to begin your granny square. So let's get started. Now what you're going to do is your slip knot. I'm just going to show you the slip knot first. You come around like this on your two fingers, and then you push your other finger and tuck it in the hole and grab your yarn. Okay, this is a slip knot because when you pull this string, you can pull it out because it slips out. Let's do it again. Ooh, don't want that to roll off the table. So wrap it around your two fingers, kind of make an X here, and then you want to tuck it up through the hole and kind of pull it through that hole like this. Now this is your slip knot, okay? And to start any project that makes a round, like a hat or a granny square, you can chain one right there and then make this your little hole. So you would do chain 3, 2, 3, and then you can double crochet into the very first chain and make that your center. Okay, let's just do one just like that. I'll show you both ways to do your granny square. Okay, and then we're going to chain 3. So to do your granny square, you need to know how to do a chain and a double crochet. The double crochet is you loop under your yarn, you kind of grab it with your thumb, and you go through the hole, grab your yarn again, and pull it through. And you'll have 3 pieces of yarn, 3 loops on your hook. Grab your yarn and pull it through 2. Grab your yarn again and pull it through 2. So let's do that 2 more times, because a granny square is 3 double crochets, 3 chains, 3 double crochets, 3 chains, and that's repeated until you have your corners. Your corner is right here on your chains. So this is your first corner completed. This is your second corner. You're going to do 3 chains. You're going to loop under your yarn and do 3 double crochets. Okay. Loop under, go in the hole, loop under, grab your yarn, come out, pull through 2, loop, and pull through 2. We're going to do that again until we have 3 double crochets. See our 2 corners right there? You get your 2 corners. Now see your hole? You can see the hole in this style. Okay? I'll show you another style where your hole can disappear. Now this is your third corner. You do 3 chains, loop under, and do 3 double crochets in the center. So there's 1, pull some out, 2, and 3. Now you've got 3 corners and you need your 4th corner. Okay, so you go 1, 2, 3 for your corner, and you're going to go into this first stitch here with your hook, grab your yarn, and pull it through both places. And there is your basic first round of your granny square. Now to move on, you chain 3. And this is a double crochet. This is like your first double crochet. You're going to chain 3 and you're going to flip your work over. Okay? This is your first trip, or your first double, excuse me, that starts this new corner. Okay? You're going to do 2 doubles. That first chain 3 is going to count as a double. Then you're going to chain 3 to make a corner. And then you're going to do 3 more doubles here in your corner, because you want it even on both sides of your corner. Okay? So there's your corner now. Your corner is 3 doubles, 3 chains, and 3 doubles. Okay? Then to make this a solid one, a solid granny square, you're going to do a double in each of these stitches. Okay? And basically you've got 3 on your corner, 3 in the middle, and then you've got 3 on your corner. 1, 2, 3. And then you've got your chain 3 for the very end part of your corner. And you're going to do 3 more doubles in this corner to finish out your corner. See? Now you've got 2 corners here. And your corner is the only place that's going to have the hole if you do solid all the way across. Okay? So you just continue that all the way around. And I'll show you how to end off this side. Okay, we're just going to keep going here. I'm going to keep recording while we do the video all the way. So you just keep doing your doubles, your double crochet. This is great practice for learning your double crochet. And you just do 3 more on this corner. 1, pull through 2, pull through 2. And make sure you pull your yarn out so you can grab it easy. 1, 2, 3 chains. You want 3 doubles here. 2, 3 double crochets. Then we're going to double crochet in the side. And then we have 1 more corner to do. And you see we have these stitches as well, right? So I'll show you what to do when we get over there and make it simple. We're going to do our corner now with 3 double crochets. Chain 3 and 3 double crochets. Keep pulling that yarn out until it comes out easy. And there's 1, 2, and 3. Now you've got to chain into the top of these stitches, or double crochet into the top of these stitches. And there you are, you're at the end. So you're going to slip stitch into here and lock it in. Now, you are in the middle of the side. What do? you chain 3, turn your work, and start right where you are. That is your double crochet for this hole right here that you're in. So you're going to go on with your double crochets and go into the next available hole, because your chain 3 counts as a double crochet. And you will just continue around just like that. I hope this helps. I hope this is enough explanation. And this is the granny square solid with a chain 2 hole for the start. So I hope that helps. I hope you love your project, and I hope you have fun making whatever it is you're making with your granny squares. I will see you on the next video. Bye-bye.